Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my latest purchase. This is the 24-volt cordless compact turbine jet blower from the company Sunjo. So with all my purchases, I like doing these unboxings. In case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the item, they want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's quality like. I'll try and get you guys a still shot of the specs out here. I've used a Sunjo pole saw before, 24 volt. It worked great, so that's kind of an incentive for me to buy this. It came with the battery, so I can use that battery with my pole saw, and I've got it for the blower. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it taken out. We're gonna get it put together, and then I'll show you how it works. We'll look at it in action. Instruction manual, your battery. I'm assuming this is the charging cable. The blower itself, and watch how easy this is. I didn't even look at any instructions. Let's see if we can figure it out. There we go. That locks into place, and then same thing. This locks into place. All I gotta do is throw the battery on and we're ready to go. I wanted to show you real quick the charging cable. Basically, you've got a wall outlet, and then you've got this round circle end. Here's your battery. You've got a sticker over the battery. There's a hole on the battery, and that's gonna be where you plug in your charger. This thing, straight out of the box, you've got a button here you can press to see if it's fully charged or not. It is fully charged, so there's really nothing to it. The best thing about this rechargeable equipment is it's extremely light and it's easy to use. All I'm gonna do is slide the battery in. And now, because it's so easy to use, I can let my kid do the yard work. So I'm gonna sit this here, and we're gonna let my kid come do the blowing. I'll show you how it works.